Are you struggling to grow your crypto portfolio? You might be making some common mistakes that are silently killing your profits. Today, we'll break down the 5 common crypto trading mistakes and how you can avoid them. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, trading without a plan. Most beginners jump into the market with hope instead of a strategy. They see a pump, they buy. They see a dump, they panic. That's not trading, that's gambling. Have a clear plan: when to enter, when to exit, and how much risk you're willing to take. Without a plan, emotions will control your trades. Mistake number 2, ignoring risk management. No matter how good your setup looks, never risk your entire capital. A common rule: never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total balance on a single trade. Use stop-loss orders. Protect your capital. Because in trading, protecting what you have is just as important as growing it. Mistake number 3, overtrading. Just because the market is open 24/7 doesn't mean you need to trade 24/7. Overtrading leads to burnout, emotional decisions, and unnecessary losses. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Wait for high probability setups. Don't force trades. Mistake number 4, letting emotions take over. Fear, greed, FOMO, and revenge trading. These emotions ruin more traders than bad strategies. Stick to your plan, control your emotions, and trust the process. Discipline beats emotion, every single time. Mistake number 5, following the crowd. If everyone on Twitter or Telegram is shouting "buy now," it's probably too late. By the time the crowd knows, smart money has already entered or exited. Do your own analysis. Trust your own signals. Don't trade based on hype. Trade based on logic. Avoiding these 5 mistakes won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it will protect you from unnecessary losses and give you the foundation to grow steadily. At Vestlye, we believe in smart, disciplined trading, not emotional gambling. If you're serious about succeeding in crypto, it starts by avoiding the basics and mastering the mindset.